So inviting Ronnie and Marianne, thank you so much for inviting us. We are actually a group, Taiko group, practice every Sunday in a neighborhood at Columbia University. And we call the New York Taiko Aiko Kai. Basically that means a group that loves to play Taiko. So we've been around for almost 14 years, but we just played a very, very traditional piece that started in Nagano Prefecture in Japan. So if you have been to Japan, it's a prefecture surrounded by mountains, not sea. You know, Japan itself is surrounded by the ocean, but that's one of the very few prefectures that is not surrounded by sea, water. So Courtney's going to tell you a little bit about Taiko. How many of you have seen Taiko before? You have? All right, good. All right. Hi,
Taiko was started in ancient Japan. It dates back around 2,000 years or so, and it was used before as music for different festivals and different religious rituals. As you can see, it's very lively, so if you start hearing that beat, it kind of draws everyone in, and every time we play, we try to get that kind of feeling to all of you guys. We play a specific piece or style of taiko known as Osua Taiko, which is made famous by Daiichi Oguchi, who popularized taiko in America by making it more ensemble-like and making it more entertaining to draw audience members in, not just for religious festivals and rituals, but for
So the second piece, and after that, we're going to get you to come up here and play taiko. So the second piece and the last piece we're going to be performing, it's called Kizuna. That means bonding. I don't know, I'm sure all of you still remember there was a big earthquake and tsunami in 2011. And our teacher sort of was very moved and concerned about the Japanese people, so he composed this song, Kizuna. And in fact, we were very affected by that. You know, most of us come from Japan, and we played everywhere in New York City, Central Park, everywhere. And to get the money, to collect the money, and we bought one drum to a high school in Iwate, northern Japan, because they have a club, taiko club, their drums were washed away. So we were able to order a taiko in Fukushima and have the taiko shop send that taiko to Iwate. So we're very, very affected by it too. So anyway, so this is called the Kizuna bonding. I hope you enjoy it.
Started writing the story.
give you a very simple rhythm, because you don't have to have a background. So we're going to just teach you very simple patterns of actually the piece we just played. Okay, so if you master that, you can play with us. So this is a rhythm. And all you have to do is repeat. So first pattern. Alright, so we need volunteers. So we're going to double up actually 2 people on the one drum and then 2 drums here. So we need, oh, we have this too! Oh, so we need 6 people. Alright.
I'm going to try.
Okay. Come down. So let's just do because this is the first group, I'm going to give them some break, you know. Second and third people, they already observed. You're going to be better than the first group, right? Oh, yeah, I didn't know there were enough.